Hello friends, today we will be preparing cucumber kimchi. Kimchi is a Korean side dish or salad which is spicy in nature and can be made of cucumber or cabbage. Today the variety we will be making is called instant kimchi or quick kimchi or oi kimchi, which does not require fermentation and can be prepared very easily. So let's start. To make instant cucumber kimchi, we require 2 to 3 fresh cucumber and cut them into slices. After that, we marinate them with salt in a big bowl and keep it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure to mix the salt well with all the cucumber slices. Meanwhile, we prepare the sauce by taking another bowl and taking 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, adding some sesame oil to it, and squeeze 2 teaspoons of lemon juice into it. Add chili powder into it. Chili powder is the substitute of gochugaru. Sliced ginger garlic, toasted sesame seeds, little bit of sugar, and mix it well. We don't add salt because soya sauce already has salt and cucumbers have also been marinated in salt. Now we take out our cucumbers, add it into the sauce and mix it well. Our kimchi is ready. The kimchi we prepared is an Indian version of the Korean oi kimchi. So we used Indian ingredients instead of the Korean ones. We used soya sauce, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, etc., which are Indian substitutes of the Korean ingredients. This kimchi or salad is spicy in nature and is very crunchy, very juicy, and you can make easily in summers, and it rejuvenates you because it is very fresh and cucumbers are easily available. So please make this nutritious healthy salad in summers. So prepare this Korean spicy crunchy cucumbers today, and do not forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Till then, bye bye.